Namaste, hello, good morning, and welcome back to Rendezvous with Twin Flames. I'm Neha, your host, and I hope you all are doing great and progressing in your life. Thank you so much for sparing your valuable time and listening to me. I deeply appreciate all your love and support. Friends, this would be the first episode that I have been covering in this week, and I hope you have been through all the other episodes by now and it would be of some help to you. Let's begin with today's request, which is: what if I isolate myself consciously from my twin flame as a chaser? It seems our requester is much ahead on his journey and is now completely healed with his past wounds and pain. There would always be a point on every twin flame's journey wherein they would consciously isolate themselves and would surrender themselves to the universe. It entirely depends on the spiritual awakening of an individual, which brings along an undeniable faith in the universe. Your inner knowing is now aware of the fact that you're already one in the 5D world, and you too have separate paths in this 3D world. You would realize that your souls have been already united, and therefore chasing would be at halt now, and you would transform into a stayer instead. You would somehow know that you might cross your paths again, and that would only happen at the divine timing. This way, you would surrender all your fears, all your doubts and insecurities to the universe and move forward with all the love within you, which would surely help you in progressing on your divine journey. The important point to note is when you would be doing amazingly well by focusing on yourself, your counterpart will also be benefited out of it, as you two mirror each other. This sense of realization would further motivate you to stay focused on your life purpose, and you would now be ready to go the extra mile and take the lead of your divine journey with pride. Once you are in the state of ecstasy, there would still be a possibility of your emotional breakdown, but this time it would not last for long, as you had crossed all the tough and the saddest phases and have acquired enough courage to move forward with all the love and compassion for yourself and for your beloved journey. With this, I would like to end today's episode and wish you good luck with your journey. If you have any questions or if you wish to share your experience with me, you may inbox me at emotionsrendezvous@gmail.com. Thank you so much for listening. See you soon. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames.